Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Now we are moving to the new contract. Since we have not traded in the last 1 week in this previous contract, we went for a market watch. Yesterday also the price gave a decent drop, but still we thought that it will hold somewhere or it will show some upward price action, but things didn't went according to our plan. What happened yesterday in this new contract, price took resistance around 162 and it came down till 462 and it came down till 455. Today expected to open somewhere near 456. So after a long time we will be taking some risk in this new contract, and this is going to be our key area. We'll be targeting 462 and 460 in this new contract. So you can go for selling till by placing stop loss near 463. You can go for selling, but what we feel is that again still we feel that there is some good momentum at the bottom, if it which can push the price towards 460 again to test the market. Let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and the next target will be 451 if the trend continues. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.